Did you know if you use land effects, you have your very own superhero? BatchMan can save the day more times than you can even count. Using our Save Block tool allows you to save all your symbols into the system, but sometimes you might not be happy with the way the slides look when previewing the newly saved symbols. Size your workspace to reflect the approximate ratio that is set for the preview slide. Open BatchMan and select the desired file or folder option. Select the Make Slide and No Save option, then press OK and let BatchMan do its thing. You will see each file open, zoom extends, and shoot a new slide for your preview. Once complete, open the respective blocks dialog to see the new changes. Working with other offices, you might find yourself cleaning their files one at a time. To perform a quick and safe cleanup on all your XREFs, choose your desired files, select Purge Plus, all by layer, and save the file into the desired DWG version. Then, go take a break while BatchMan cleans the selected files. Do you need to match another architect's layer names and colors when working on their files? Load the necessary files into BatchMan, choose the layer names and colors option, along with the DWG Save As version. BatchMan will read in all layers and colors for the selected files. Make the needed changes to the layer color, name, or both. Even save the setup so you can quickly load the same changes on further files given to you by the same office. Press OK and let BatchMan make the needed changes to the files all at the same time. Have you updated your office standards for the text styles used in land effects? BatchMan entire folders of details to update the text styles within each file. Pick your desired files, select the text styles option, and press OK. Watch as each file is updated to the current text style. No job is too big, no file too small. Help is right around the corner with BatchMan.